Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk to you about the Baker Act and specifically whether or not a child who suffers from autism can be Baker Acted. So we had a case that just came in and it turns out the child, she's about 20, although she obviously has some developmental issues. She's very easily led astray, but yet she's very bright. She's incredibly sweet, has just an absolute heart of gold, just wants to please people. And unfortunately made a couple of statements where it was perhaps indicated she might want to harm herself, but really there was a serious concern about whether or not she even understood what she was saying. Long story short is, parents took her to the hospital anyway, and, she had great health insurance, and they Baker Acted her. And then she was transferred to another facility. And so, I've had to file an emergency petition. Now, I've told you in other videos that it only takes two things to get Baker Acted: a finger and someone to point it. That's it. And in this case, it was the emergency room doctor who pointed that finger. But the statute is very, very clear. Developmental disability is specifically excluded under the definition of mental illness. And in order to get Baker Acted, there has to be mental illness. If you look in the definition, look up the definition of developmental disability, which is in section 393, 394 being the Baker Act, you'll see that in fact, autism is considered a developmental disability. What does that mean? It means it's excluded as a criteria for Baker Act. Now, does that mean the facility's gonna let her go after I filed my case? No. Why? Well, number one, nobody knows the child's there. Number two, you can't sue them for this, so they simply don't care. They're happy to milk the insurance until, either they capitulate or on Monday, this case is going to get assigned to a judge, and then I'm going to force them to let the child go. It's as simple as that. But it can happen. It does happen. I think this is maybe the second case where we've seen an autistic child be Baker Acted, and it really is, it's just, my heart broke for the parents. I spoke to mom and dad last night. They were both in tears, and they want the child back. It's just unbelievable. But this is the shit I deal with, and this is why on the weekends I work, because families need help, and I'm here to do it, and it's my passion and it's my mission. Anyway, if you have a family member who's been Baker Acted and they're still in there, I can help you. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.